Hi, I'm Matt Eilers, Field Service Manager here at Ice-O-Matic. I'm showing you guys how to replace a purge valve in a CIM unit. So you're going to loosen your two screws on the front panel. Lift up on the front panel. Remove. Lift up on your top panel. Push backwards. Lift off the top. Right side panel just lifts up and out. That gives us access to get to the purge valve, which is going to be in behind the control board. To start with, disconnect your power. Once you've got access to the area where the purge valve is located, you can reach in, get to your purge valve this way. For video purposes, we're going to remove the control board. Got one screw right here. Remove that screw. You have a 3/8 nut up on the top of the machine. Box slides slightly back and down. Tuck that out of your way. Gives us really good access to the purge valve. As far as cleaning the purge valve out, you're gonna hold the base, the black plastic base solid, push down on the top of the valve, turn it, pull it loose. That's out of your way. Remove your plunger and the rubber. Be kind of careful with this part. You don't want to lose any of those components. Set it to the side. You would look inside here for debris, flush it out if need be. As far as replacement, go a little bit further. You would disconnect your two wires. And you have one screw back here. It's a 5/16. Pull your purge valve off the post. Got two C-clamps on the tubing there. Disconnect your C-clamp. Pull your white tube from the top. Remove your other C-clamp from the bottom. That one slides right off. Get your new purge valve. The bottom is going to be the gray tube. C-clamp back up into place. Snap it in. White tube to the other side. Pushes on. Slide your C-clamp back up into place. Tighten it down. Take your two wires, doesn't matter which terminal. Plug them in. Bring the purge valve back up into place. Slide it over the stud. Get your screw. Tighten your screw down into place. That's it. So after replacing your purge valve, if you did take the control board out, just find that 3/8 stud, push the board up into place, push it over, tighten down, get your screw. That's going to go back in right here. Tighten that down, lock in that control board. Get your right side panel. It's got little channels on it. Just going to slide it over. Down into place. Get your top panel. Same thing, you've got little studs on the back of the machine. Start with the back first. Make sure you got it over the studs and all the way down. Push slightly forward. Pull down on the front. Get your top panel. It's catching the lip right there. Push in tight. Push down. Tighten your two screws up on the front. And you're done.